Hi there, students. Goad. To goad as a verb. A goad as a noun. Okay, to goad is to push somebody into doing something by being annoying. Yeah? To goad somebody into doing something. To make a person or an animal do something by continuously annoying or upsetting them. So he started insulting me to try to goad me into a fight. The government are trying different ways to goad people into taking their vaccinations if they don't want to. The competitor was goaded on by his desire to win. There were children goading another child in the playground. They were laughing at him and pushing him. Okay, let's see. A goad. A goad is a sharp stick, yeah? And you use it to goad an animal. You jab the animal with this sharp stick, and if you're lucky, it goes in the direction that you want it to go. Yeah, so you induce it to go in this direction. Yeah, and that is a goad, and the original idea of to goad, to prick. But we use this more metaphorically to push somebody into doing something, to incite them to do it, yeah, to urge or stimulate them into action. He was goaded into action by the thought of being left out. His constant lack of money goaded him into finding a badly paid job. To spur. The accident goaded the company into improving its safety measures. Okay, so to goad, to spur, it's like to incite, but normally with something that hurts. Yeah, to instigate. Threats of legal action should goad them into doing what I ask. My friends tried to goad me into trying out for the team, but football isn't really my thing. Okay, so this goad is a sharp, pointy stick, and you prod animals with it to get them moving. Yeah. With horses, the rider sometimes uses a whip to goad the animal into going faster. Okay, so a goad, something that acts to incite or to spur someone on. Yeah, it's like a stimulus because it pricks and it hurts. Yeah, so yeah, it's like you've been jabbed with a pointed stick and you've been prodded and you just don't want to. You want to get on with it. He was always trying to goad his brother into losing his temper. He goaded me into taking immediate direct action. Okay, so to goad somebody into doing something. Something acts as a goad to egg on, to incite somebody to do something. Yeah, to provoke. Okay, he goaded me in, he tried to goad me into buying his car. He goaded me into being rude to him. He just kept asking and kept asking. Finally, I said, "Do you want me to be rude to you?" And he continued, and then I was rude to him. So he goaded me into it. Yeah, so a goad, a sharp, pointy stick, or something that incites people to do something, to prod, to incite, to provoke, to stimulate. To goad is a regular verb. He goaded me into doing this. He has tried to goad me into several different things that I didn't really want to do. Okay, formality. That's an interesting one. I think I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. I think you could definitely use it in an informal conversation, but it sounds a little bit formal or a little bit literary. So that's why the 6. But I think you can just about use it anywhere, but it's better in a slightly more formal setting. Yeah, to encourage or to incite or to prod may be better more informally. And let's see, this, as to origin, it comes from a Proto-Germanic word, gadio, which I think means to prick or to push with a point. Yeah. Notice there's the word from the old language in Lombardy, gaida, a spear. Okay, so to goad. Okay. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, but I'm not going to goad you into doing it. Subscribe to my channel, again, no goading, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To goad.